So we have two mothers and their two daughters go fishing together. They each catch one fish to take home with them. When they load the car, there are only three fish. They didn't lose any, so how can this be? I want to, make sure that we understand this problem, and then we'll maybe use some deductive reasoning to figure it out. So we've got two mothers and their two daughters. Two mothers, their two daughters. They go fishing. They each catch one fish. When they load the car, there are only three fish. They didn't lose any, so how can this be? So this tells me this seems like four people, so I should have four fish, but I only have three fish. Assuming that all of these things are true, I think that this means there are only three people. And now what I'm trying to figure out is, how can this be three people instead of four? So if I have a mother and a daughter, and then another mother and a daughter, what comes to mind is like maybe one mother equals one of the daughters. And how could that happen? Let's see, if I have this person's the mother of this person, maybe this is the mother-daughter, and so this person is the mother of this person. So here I have a mother of this daughter, and then this person is also the mother of this daughter. So this would be like a grandchild, a child, and a mother. Or if you look at it the other way, a grandmother, a mother, and a daughter. And then I'm able to have three people, but I still have two mothers and two daughters. So this is my brainstormed best solution to how can there only be three fish, is I've got these three people. This one is the mother of this daughter and the daughter of this mother.